In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in GoDaddy. If you want messages sent to a custom address on your domain to automatically arrive in another inbox, GoDaddy makes that process fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where your domain is managed, since email forwarding settings are tied directly to that domain. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account settings, products, and domain management tools. From your profile, click on My Products. This section shows everything associated with your account, including domains and related services. Look for the domain you want to use for forwarding, then click on Domain to open its management page. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct domain, especially if you manage more than one. Next, click on DNS. This will take you to the DNS management page, where you can control different records and settings connected to your domain. Since we're focusing on forwarding, find the Forwarding section. This is where GoDaddy lets you manage both domain and subdomain forwarding options. In the forwarding area, click Add Forwarding on Subdomain. This is the option you'll use when you want a subdomain-based email forwarding setup connected to your domain settings. Once that form opens, enter the email address you want the messages to forward to. Be careful when typing the destination address, because even a small typo can prevent emails from being delivered correctly. After that, fill out all necessary details shown in the form. The exact fields may vary slightly depending on your account setup, but the key is to review everything carefully before continuing. It's a good idea to double-check the subdomain information and the forwarding destination, so the setup works the way you expect. When everything is complete, click Save. That will apply your forwarding settings and start the setup process. In some cases, changes may take a little time to update, so if it doesn't seem active right away, give it a bit and then test it again. Once saved, send a test email to confirm the forwarding is working properly. That quick check can help you catch any mistakes early and make sure your messages are being delivered to the right inbox. And that's how to set up email forwarding in GoDaddy.